Hello guys, good morning. I'm Architect Oliver and I prepared another set of questions for Theory of Architecture, Episode 1. So let's start. Number 1. A unified composition of two-dimensional shapes or three-dimensional volumes, especially one that has or gives the impression of weight, density, and bulk. A. Massing. B. Composition. C. Form. D. Perspective. Answer: A. Massing. Number 2. The tendency of air or gas in a shaft or other vertical space to rise when heated, creating a draft that draws in cooler air gas from below. Again, the tendency of air or gas in a shaft or other vertical space to rise when heated, creating a draft that draws in cooler air gas from below. A. Effective temperature. B. Chimney effect. C. Greenhouse effect. D. Insulation effect. Answer: B. Chimney effect, or also called stack effect. 4. A form can be transformed by altering one or more of its dimensions and still retain as a member of a family of a form. A cube, for example, can be transformed into similar prismatic forms through discrete changes in height, width, or length. It can be compressed into a planar form or be stretched out into a linear one. What type of form transformation in the figure shown below? A. Dimensional transformation. B. Subtractive transformation. C. Additive transformation. D. Visible transformation. Answer: A. Dimensional transformation. 5. The articulation of importance or significance of a form or space by its size, shape, or placement relative to the other forms and spaces of the organization. A. Symmetry. B. Hierarchy. C. Axis. D. Rhythm. Answer: B. Hierarchy. 6. It is an architectural manifesto by the Swiss-French architect, a set of principles for modern buildings. A. 4 books on architecture. B. 5 points of architecture. C. 10 books of architecture. D. Charter of Athens. Answer: B. 5 points of architecture. 7. The division of a line so that the whole is the greater part as that part is the smaller part. For example, in a ratio of 1 to 1/2, a proportion which is considered to be particularly pleasing to the eye. A. Golden ratio. B. Golden section. C. Fibonacci sequence. D. Modular. Answer: B. Golden section. 8. It uses colors that are adjacent to each other on a color wheel. One color is used as a dominant color while others are used to enrich the scheme. A. Monochromatic color scheme. B. Analogous color scheme. C. Complementary color scheme. D. Split complementary color scheme. Answer? B. Analogous color scheme. 9. In the 4 books of architecture, which book discussed the private townhouses and country estates? A. The first book. B. The second book. C. The third book. D. Fourth book. Answer? B. The second book. 10. This refers to the manner in which the surfaces of a form come together to define its shape and volume. It's clearly revealed the precise nature of its part and their relationship to each other and to the whole. A. Articulation. B. Form. C. Clustered form. D. Edge. Answer? A. Articulation. 10. 11. It is consequence of concrete frame construction because walls were then deprived of their constructional role. Their design became free as well. Again, it is a consequence of concrete frame construction because walls were then deprived of their constructional role. Their design became free as well. A. Free facade. B. Free plan. C. Roof gardens. D. Pilotis. Answer? A. Free facade. 12. If equally spaced windows are introduced on the unbroken wall, then regular repetition is present. What do you call this type of rhythm? A. Accented rhythm. B. Continuous rhythm. C. Unaccented rhythm. D. Rhythm by repetition. Answer? C. Unaccented rhythm. 13. In 1942, Le Corbusier began his study and published blank, a harmonious measure to the human scale universally applicable to architecture and mechanics. A. Vitruvian Man. B. The modular. C. Human dimensions. D. Fernicube. Answer? B. The modular. 14. A color that feels flat and lifeless, yet it provides enormous support to the other hues. A. White. B. Black. C. Purple. D. Gray. Answer? D. Gray. 15. When elements complete with each other for a place of importance, there is a blank. This causes duality or the presence of two strong conflict personalities or masses, resulting in discord and redundancy. A. Volume contradiction. B. Competition. C. Contrast. D. Confusion. Answer? B. Competition. 16. Nakagin Capsule Tower by Kisho, Kurokawa. Identify what type of form composition. A. Linear form. B. Grid form. C. Radial form. D. Cluster form. Answer? B. Grid form. 17. In architecture, this type of character bears a certain relation to the same attributes of an individual. It is found that the element of personality plays an important part in the revealing character of both with man and with architecture. A. Personal character. B. Personal character. C. Expressive character. D. Associated character. Answer? B. Personal character. 18. The degree of concentration and stability of a form, it depends on its geometry as well as its orientation relative to the ground and our line of sight. A. Visual acceleration. B. Velocity of eyesight. C. Visual inertia. D. Structure stability. Answer? C. Visual inertia. 19. The primary shape can be extended or rotated to generate volumes whose form are distinct, regular, and easily recognizable. These forms are referred to as the A. Polyhedron. B. Plantonic solids. C. Tectonics. D. Dynamic shapes. Answer? B. Plantonic solids. 20. Villa Capra, the Rotunda, at Vicenza, Italy by Andrea is what type of spatial organization? A. Grid organization. B. Radial organization. C. Centralized organization. D. Clustered organization. Answer? C. Centralized organization. 21. It bears a certain relation to the same attribute to the life of an individual. A. Functional character. B. Personal character. C. Relative proportion. D. Balance. Answer? B. Personal character. 22. Refers to the quality of surface treatment associated with materials. A. Tone. B. Mass. C. Volume. D. Texture. Answer? D. Texture. 23. A color produced by combining lights of reds, green, and blue wavelengths. These lights or additive primaries contains all the wavelengths necessary to produce a colorless or white light. A. Subtractive color. B. Primary color. C. Selective color. D. Additive color. Answer? D. Additive color. 24. This color is relatively long and stimulating. It is considered as the strongest color psychologically, as it is perceived optimism, confidence, self-esteem, extraversion, emotional strength, friendliness, creativity. A. Orange. B. Red. C. Yellow. D. Blue. Answer? C. Yellow. 25. A Pritzker Prize awardee 2015, German architect and structural engineer noted for his use of lightweight structures, in particular tensile and membrane structure, including the roof of the Olympic Stadium in Munich for the 1972 Summer Olympics. A. Jean Nouvel. B. Pray Paul Otto. C. Sir James Fraser Sterling. D. Gottfried Bohm. Answer? B. Pray Paul Otto. 26. Form is the mystery that defies descriptions but brings people pleasure. Who said this? A. Michael Graves. B. Antonio Gaudí. C. Alvaro Aalto. D. Adolf Loos. Answer? C. Alvar Aalto. 27. In all of his works, light is an important controlling factor. His use of concrete is impeccable, leaving its natural color and texture and almost become his trademark design. A. Oscar Niemeyer. B. Eero Saarinen. C. Gottfried Bohm. D. Tadao Ando. Answer? D. Tadao Ando. 28. In geometry, a 2 or 3-dimensional space in which the axiom and postulates of Euclidean geometry apply. A. Expressive space. B. Euclidean space. C. Aesthetic space. D. Visual space. Answer? B. Euclidean space. 29. A model developed in German by Bassam TV, where the idea is that minorities can have an idea of their own, but they should at least support the core concept of the culture on which the society is based. A. Core culture. B. Monoculturalism. C. Melting point. D. Multiculturalism. Answer? A. Core culture. 30. Direct borrowing from one culture to another. A. Stimulus diffusion. B. Innovative diffusion. C. Tangible diffusion. D. Transculturation. Answer? C. Tangible diffusion. 31. An applied science concerned with the characteristic of people that needs to be considered in the design of devices and systems in order that people and things will interact effectively and safely. A. Anthropomorphism. B. Anthropocentrism. C. Anthropometrics. D. Ergonomics. Answer: D. Ergonomics. 32. A primary elements of form that has the properties of length, width, shape, surface, orientation, and position. A. Point. B. Plane. C. Line. D. Volume. Answer: B. Plane. 33. A type of character that results directly from the purpose of use of the building. A. Character. B. Personal character. C. Functional character. D. Traditional character. Answer: C. Functional character. 34. Concrete textured by leaving the impression of the form in which it was modeled, as when wood is used to create a grain surface effect. A. Genius loci. B. Pop architecture. B. Beton brute. C. Abstraction. Answer: C. Beton brute. 36. A form can be transformed by altering one or more of the dimension and still retain its identity as a member of a family of form. A. Additive transformation. B. Dimensional transformation. C. Subtractive transformation. D. Centralized form. Answer: B. Dimensional transformation. 36. This type of relationships requires that the two forms have corresponding planar surfaces which are parallel to each other. A. Spatial tension. B. Face-to-face contact. C. Edge-to-edge contact. D. Interlocking volumes. Answer: B. Face-to-face contact. 37. It is the most common type of spatial relationship. It allows each space to be clearly defined and to respond, each in its own way, to specific functional or symbolic requirements. It can be defined with a row of columns, walls, free-standing plane. A. Space linked by a common space. B. Interlocking space. C. Adjacent space. D. Space within a space. Answer: C. Adjacent spaces. 38. The size or proportion of a building elements or surface or an article of furniture related to the structural or functional dimension of the human body. A. Visual scale. B. Mechanical scale. C. Generic scale. D. Human scale. Answer: D. Human scale. 39. One of the three dimensions of colors, the purity or vividness of a hue, also called as intensity. A. Saturation. B. Chroma. C. Hue. D. Value. Answer? A. Saturation. 40. What is Amihan? A. Southwest monsoon. B. Northeast monsoon. C. Southeast monsoon. D. Northwest monsoon. Answer? B. Northeast monsoon. Okay guys, thank you very much for viewing this video, and I hope na makatulong to sa pagre-review nyo. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified sa mga next video na i-upload ko. Thank you once again, and God bless to you guys.